Hi guys, for another video. Let's find another job and of course this job site. So napakaraming available na job dito. So philippines.jobstreet.com. So you can check it or you can go to their website and then you can apply job. So ito po yung mga available na job nila. Work from home virtual assistant. So 32,000 to 48,000 per month. The Freedom Geek. Work from home in comfort and with convenience, flexible hours and work-life balance, part-time and full-time. Choose what suits you. So let's go to another job. Sales and personal assistant PA coordinator, work from home. -10 managed services. So Davao City, but they also offer work from home setup with day shift schedule, career growth, and impact signing bonus. So this is new, you can apply. Yung isa is 16 days ago. Administration officer, work from home to connect. So new to you. 40,000 to 50,000. As a Tokenic employee, you get to enjoy the following: work from home, day shift to 13 hours pa. Sales associate, Davao City, Davao del Sur. So as you can see, the salary that they offered. So sales and marketing associate, Visa International. I don't know. Visa International Inns. AU admin assistant, permanent work from home, Manila City, Metro Manila, Davao. 35,000, 52,500 per month, permanent work from home. So this is permanent work from home, 24 SILS per year, plus 1 day birthday leave, HMO for employee, plus 1 dependent upon day 1. So another job, HR officer, permanent work from home, biggest day shift, Quezon City, 40,000 to 45,000 per month, permanent work from home also. HR staff recruitment, sales representative, assistant, AC partner sales, remote assistant, permanent work from home setup. So this is cyberbacker, because dollar po ang kanilang sahod dito. Then $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Kayo na po ang bahalang mag-compute kung magkano ang per month ninyo. So work from home, executive assistant, remote opportunity, VA, 30,000 to 35,000 per month. So let's open this cyberbacker career. Ano po yung mga qualification nila sa trabaho nito? Remote assistant, permanent work from home setup, cyberbacker careers. So they have 5.0 reviews. So this is very legit. And as you can see, ito yung salary nila. Dollar po. So job role, cyberbacker, join cyberbacker, build strong relationship, elevate your career. About cyberbacker. Cyberbacker bridges the gap between time and money, creating opportunities for both clients and virtual professionals to achieve success. Our client partner with world-class cyberbackers at competitive rates, while cyberbacker gain clients who help them earn and save more than ever before. So let's go for the qualification. What you should do or what they need. As a cyberbacker, you will transcription, capturing key points during live or recorded calls. Call preparation, organizing daily call lists, and agendas to ensure seamless client interaction. Schedule coordination, managing meeting schedules including adjustment, cancellation, and time zone considerations. Report management, compiling insightful reports on key metrics, performance indicators. Virtual file management, keeping virtual files organized and accessible. Administrative support, managing email, correspondence, calendar, appointments, and other operational tasks efficiently. What you bring, relationship skills, a natural ability to connect, collaborate, and foster trust. Work ethic, a proactive attitude, strong organizational skills, and ability to work independently. Technical setup, so they have specs. So this is the specs that they need. Intel Core i3 6 Gen to 12 Gen, i5, i7 or AMD equivalent, 8 gig RAM, 60 gig free hard disk space, Windows or Mac operating system, 10 Mbps, DSL, fiber internet connection, signal-based or wireless not allowed. So they don't allowed like yung mga modem. So they need like fiber or PLDT, I think. So 10 Mbps po yung required nila. So why join Cyberbacker? Benefits that care for you. Medical assistant program includes dental vision, maternity, royal assistant, and independent coverage for tenured Cyberbackers. Gift and rewards programs celebrate milestones like birthday, work anniversary, and personal achievement with thoughtful gifts, life insurance for tenured Cyberbackers. So, I don't know kung tama ba yung pagkabasa ko. So, career growth opportunities, promotion to headbackers or leadership roles with leadership training, domestic and international travel and speaking opportunity. Over 100 exclusive complimentary classes monthly conducted experienced team members. Counter work-life balance, paid time, PTO credits, paid holidays, and permanent work from home setup. Food Panda discount and exciting contest with prizes. So, dami po nilang benefits na makukuha mo dito. Marami po silang offer. Financial security, profit share program, cyber capital, community rewards and recognition, job security and training. Okay, nandito na po tayo how to apply. Complete our online application form and values assessment. Attend your initial interview where we'll discuss how you can make a meaningful impact. Let's build relationship that lasts. Take the first step towards a fulfilling career with Cyberbacker. Join a team that values you and empower you to thrive. Apply now. So they have video how to apply. So you can check this and click this. So meron din silang be careful, don't provide your bank credit card details when applying for a job. So, yun lang po. And I hope na nakatulong itong video na to sa iyo. Please go to the job street now and then find this work from home job available in job street, Cyberbacker, work from home, remote assistant. Hanapin niyo po yung remote assistant permanent work from home Cyberbacker currently. So, madami din po silang mga job na offer dito. Hindi lang po itong remote job permanent work from home. Kundi marami pa pong iba. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.